What's up guys and welcome to a brand new video, and today is a sad news day. Huawei has been under the black cloud lately and they recently got another temporary license which allows them to continue the trade business with US firms, and based on that we all assumed that the Mate 30 Pro flagship will run Android with Google services, but turned out that's not the case. Huawei has confirmed to Reuters that they are not allowed to use Google services. They failed to obtain the license because of being on the US entity list, even though over 130 companies have sent applications to US Commerce Department asking for a license to sell goods to Huawei, but none have been granted. It's been further confirmed by Google itself. One of Google's spokesperson has told that the Mate 30 and Mate 30 Pro cannot be sold with Google licensed applications and services due to Huawei's placement on the entity list, which means no Google services, no popular apps like Google Maps, Gmail, Play Store, and most importantly, the app you are using to watch this video, YouTube. This is very sad news indeed, because if you have watched my last video on the Mate 30 Pro, it's packing some super exciting stuff like the powerful Kirin 990, built-in 5G, Cine lens super sensing camera, 4500 mAh battery, all that good stuff, but without Google services, this phone might not sell well at all. One analyst even predicted that without Google services and Google applications, no one will buy the Mate 30 flagship phones. Huawei's own Harmony OS is not up to the level right now, so they can't use it for the Mate 30 flagship family. What we can expect from them is a free version of Android without Google applications. Mate 30 family will be announced on 19th September in Germany, and that's just a couple of weeks away from now. So Huawei has to make a decision on what to do with their software because Google is not with them. That's just the sad thing here. I think at this point they have to make their own OS, their own ecosystem, because things are not looking good. The US ban has already caused so much damage to the sales and it will continue to do more damage. Good news here is that Huawei still got access to the chip market. It has some ownership of ARM V8 license, and because of that it has already built the next generation, what could possibly be the most powerful Android chipset, the Kirin 990. It's one of the first chip to use Cortex A77 architecture, so hardware wise things are clear, but software is a total wreck. So Huawei will release their Mate 30 flagship phones soon, and the question to you guys is that will you buy them if they come without Google services? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.